What's up, guys? So, as you can tell, I'm driving a truck, which means I'm towing something, which means we're drifting today. So, today is drift day, which is, the best day. So, this is my first time drifting my S13 since the full rebuild. It's the same car, has very similar parts, but it's way different. So, really excited, I'm really nervous. I can't wait to see how the chassis feels, especially with 100 extra freaking horsepower. So it's just a skid pad event, which means it's just a freaking glorified parking lot with cones, but it should still be a fun time. Hopefully the rain holds out and hopefully the car holds up, but I can't wait. So let's get to Thompson. We should go swimming. Screw drifting.
What's going on, guys? You already know we're here at Jimmy Oak's Garage. We got the Jimmy Oak Special Waba keys, only on sale. Link down in the description.
Did you drift in these?
No. Oh. I was going to, but that's a liability issue. For anybody seeing this, don't go after me.
happy you're keeping up with the filming today because I've completely forgot.
I don't know how good I am.
It's okay. I hope you guys like this video. But
Sorry.
as you can probably tell, I keep trying to chase like Tony or JP, and they have more power and they're on stock gearing. The 4.6 gearing is so short that like I'll run out of gears to try and catch up with them, and I just need to carry momentum. I'm kind of like, and I'm also picking a pretty bad line for tandeming, but it's a learning experience. It's like I think we've tried the tandem once before this, so I'm learning a lot. It's a really good time. It's really fun, and I'm happy my boys let me try and touch their car with my car. So it's awesome.
I used more than a half a tank today. That is insane. I didn't realize I used that much gas, but it's pushing 110 in this thing. See how it boogies. Oh, that is not good. Alright, that's enough.
Finally get my last
Thank you, everyone. It's a wonderful day.
Alright guys, so the footage is probably a little scattered. I definitely focused more on seat time today, but I'm happy Stephanie got a few clips. Now, today was really more about dialing in the car and really figuring out the new setup on the car more than anything else. And by the end of the day, the car felt amazing. Like, I feel so comfortable with that, especially those last couple laps. It was really clicked for me, and I can't wait for night stage when it gets really rowdy. I can't wait for the road course, and I'm really excited to start drifting some new courses this year now that I really feel comfortable with the car. Finally get on some like actual like more road course styles like Club Loose and everything, go up to New Hampshire, and that's really the goal. But first drift event, first shakedown, S13 had S13 had no hiccups. Yeah, so
Another good thing, I won the raffle.
there was a raffle for free drift ticket and Mom won it. So next event is for free, so that's sick. But
That's right.
always, but no hiccups with the car. It ran absolutely amazing. Doing oil change, tighten the front end, and she's ready to drift again. So can't beat that. But I don't know, Steffi, what did you think?
I loved it.
You loved it?
Great.
Perfect.
There's a huge comeback.
There it is. I know you guys are probably sticking to Skids bad. Damn. I know you guys are probably sticking to Skids bad stuff, and so am I. Let's get to some real tracks, but that's about it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and Mom,
We'll see you tomorrow.